January 8, 2020. We're here at the South Keys station and the future South Keys O train station opening in 2022. So currently the station is a transitway station, and you have the bus platforms both sides, pedestrian underpass to get in between, and then if you look the other way, once you come out the rear entrance, you have the overpass for the O train guideway right here. Now the tracks already exist. It's going to be expanded significantly from what it is right now, but the main access will be from underneath, coming through here and then going up. The configuration of this station will be that there will actually be 2 tracks coming through. The Trillium Line will expand from the 1 track that comes from Greenboro up north and arrive here to 2 tracks. Now it isn't completely clear, as I believe it's not fully decided at this time, but the airport spur line, the line that will run between South Keys, Uplands and the airport, will terminate here. When the train arrives here, people will transfer to the other platforms to switch to the Trillium Line and be able to make their way to Bayview Station. So as you can see from here, we have the transitway station up here, and we have the track from the Trillium Line that runs all behind here all the way to Greenboro Station and beyond to Bayview. So the trains will be stopping here. I believe people will come through the pedestrian underpass underneath, go back up inside. Some of the plans currently show a pocket track, so the airport line will back out into the area out here, wait and hold until the main Trillium Line trains pass through, and then it will reverse back into the station, pick up passengers and leave. The track separates further down. You can see a bit of a clearing back over here. That's how I believe it will spin off from there.